fonts are really an important part of a design. Many of the times you need different types of fonts and you are like where to find those fonts. So in today's video I would be telling you how to get free fonts and from where you can download free fonts. For that I would be taking you to my screen, but if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So now let us move on my screen where I am going to show you how you can download free fonts. So to search a free font, you just need to open the Google browser and you just type free fonts. And you can, these are the two websites which are majorly used to download free fonts: 1001 free fonts and DA fonts. You can look upon them and download different types of font, or if you want a particular font, you can definitely type upon them. Just like these are the fonts available, free font. And here is the license here, and these are available for personal use only. For you cannot use these fonts for commercial uses. So make sure that you are using them only in your personal projects only, not the commercial ones. But for to find commercial ones, you might have to purchase, or you can get there that you can buy a commercial license, or some fonts, some free fonts are available for both personal and commercial use, so you can just download them. Or if you want a font, you can simply search Google fonts and you can download them also. Google fonts are free to use. You can use Google font anywhere. You do not require any license to use Google fonts, and you can use them for commercial purposes also. And if you want to find a particular font, for example, I want to find a font, so you can just search that font and write free download, and you will get different websites from where you can download that font family and all. So that's all for this video. You can download fonts from, you can download fonts by simply searching on Google, and it's very simple. I use majorly two websites: DA fonts or 1001 fonts, or sometimes Google fonts also. But if I want a particular font, I would simply search on Google and I can download that. So that's it for the today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe also and press the bell icon. So I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.